Um, Here is an update on the Atto3 drive units. This drive unit is destined to be installed into Mitsubishi Imiev. So I need to test and make sure that everything works completely outside of the car, just to make sure that I haven't actually missed anything important, because when it's installed in the car there might be some wires that I might have missed. So now what we've got is wiring harness with just these connectors. I've got CAN bus connected to my patch board here. So this patch board allows me to connect multiple CAN buses so that I can plug things in and out. So this is our drive unit CAN bus. This is power. This is connected. This wire is connected to our battery, which I'm actually using out of my power wall. So I've got the CAN bus communications connected to the battery, and then we've got the power, which I've actually replaced with one of these connectors so that I can plug different things, and that goes connected to the input of the motor. The air conditioning compressor is still on, but we're not running it. And we've got our charge port. So the first thing that we're going to try is to check that the vehicle to load is still working. So if we plug this in, the battery turns on, and we've got power, and we are running our spotlights. I don't have a AC charger, but if the vehicle to load works, I'm pretty sure the charging will also work. So next step is we are going to test that we can spin the motor. So I've got my usual little box that is used for testing. So first step is turn the battery on. So pre-charge the do the pre-charge. Sorry. So the battery is now on. Then enable the motor, and then we can use this knob to issue a torque command. So this is positive direction and this is negative direction. So if we put it onto the negative direction, then as I turn the knob, we get the wheels spinning in reverse. If we put it into the forward direction, then we issue a positive torque command, so we can get it to spin in the positive direction. So we should be able to, so the next step is to read all of the communications from the Imiev, and then turn what comes out of the car into a torque command so that we can drive this. At the moment, there's somebody's installing all of the necessary mechanics into an Imiev, and I should be able to get an Imiev with brackets and half shafts to suit the Atto3. This thing is going to go really good with more power. So ultimately, we will have an Atto3, a Mitsubishi Imiev with 150 kilowatts, 6 kilowatt AC charging with vehicle to load, and importantly, CCS charging. So we'll see how that goes, but I'm pretty sure it will drive very nicely with 3 times the power. Anyway, that's it for now. So stay tuned for a crazy Imiev. We'll see if we can smoke a few V8s off the lights. I'm sure they'll be impressed. Bye.